Hello guys, hello to my CCN fam. Woo. What is up? Oh my god, look, I hope you like my look today. How is it? I know it's pretty simple, but oh well, I like the look of my lipstick. Look at it. Isn't it so good? Do you like the shade? Tell me if you like the shade, okay? I love the shade. I know it doesn't suit me much, but oh well, I like it. I love it. Anyways, so today's a video. you won't know what it is about. You've clicked on the thumbnail, you've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the video title, you know what it's about. So why I decided to make this video? Well, since this month, June, it is Pride Month. Woo! Let's go Pride! Let's go Pride! Hey, if you're homophobic and you don't support, you are not welcome to my channel. You are not at all welcome to my channel. Shush away. Go away. So, where are my supporters at? Come here! Welcome to my channel. Oh my gosh, why do I sound so high-pitched? Sorry. Anyways, so yeah, since it's a Pride month, I decided, hey, let's just make this video. So, why not? Because I love to share stuff. Hey, I don't gatekeep. I do not gatekeep. If you guys wondering what I'm looking at here, it's my laptop. It's my laptop. Look at the mouse here. It's my laptop, you guys. So that's what I'm looking at. That is what I'm looking at. So let's talk about this BL shows. I mean, guys, where are my BL fans at? Where are my BL fans at? Come on, man. Like, share, subscribe, you guys. I'm an absolute BL addict. Ever since I started watching BL shows, I don't even watch heterosexual shows or anything anymore. I'm like, what are they? What are they? I have completely stopped watching heterosexual, dramas and shows and movies. I just don't like them anymore. So yeah, talking about the list of what I want. What's up with my hair? I mean, it's the fan. To be the fan, the fan's on, so it keeps fluttering away from my face, flying off my face. I'm not, staying in place like it should. Anyways, hang on. Bringing up my list. Bringing up the list. So the very first BL show. What the hell is wrong with me? Oh my gosh, just my mind is going everywhere. Anyways, the first BL show that I saw, let's see, it was I don't remember the name of it anymore. Love in the Air. Yes, it was Love in the Air. Oh my god, I absolutely love that show. Oh my god. And Pipai, oh my god, talking about Pipai. Oh my god, I just Pipai. Sky, he was so sassy. He was like the rock of the show, Some will say it was Pipayu, but I'm saying it was, it was Sky. I didn't expect Sky to be so, the way he has Pipai on the tip of his fingers. I mean, tell me about it. So yeah, that was the first one I saw, and I loved it. Loved it. I definitely recommend. Obviously, if you're a BL fan, you of course watch this show, or you are planning to watch it. So do it. Watch it. It's so good. Trust me. Then I have also watched many Korean BLs. After I became an army, a BTS army. So yeah, it was about a year ago. After I became that, I was obsessed with Korean. I still am, of course. So yeah, I was like obsessed, and there was that time where I was like, no, I'm not gonna watch any other, genre. I'm only gonna watch Korean. So I completely stopped watching, Thai BLs. I completely stopped watching, other languages. I used to only focus on Korean. I was like, if it's not Korean, I'm not gonna watch it. So I used to just watch Korean. And since Korea is just starting out with BLs, they don't have much, BLs. So I couldn't like find any, because compared to Thai BLs, like what only Korean BLs, yeah. What are they? I mean, come on, it's not like you can't compare them, because Thai BLs kaha, Korean BLs kaha, Thai BLs kaha, other language ke BLs kaha, other countries ke. So let me tell you the ones that I have seen of South Korea, where my oppas are. Oh, who I love so very very much. Sungi. Oh, alright. Oh, yes, I have seen Love Class. The most recent Korean BL I've seen was Love Tractor. Oh my god, it is so cute. Watch it. It is a hilarious Love Tractor, and the ending is adorable. I'm telling you, watch it. It is so good. Ooh, Cherry Blossoms After Winter. I watched that also. I think I've started Cocoa Milkshake. I had, but then I think I got bored of it or something. Or I just never, cared to continue it. But yeah, that's what. Yeah, and then also Oceans Like Me, I've seen, but I left it like towards the end because, I don't know, I just didn't like it. So I got bored of it, so then I stopped it at the end. Like, just stop flying. And what else? Yes, so talking about it, got distracted. Anyways, yeah, so I think I was like really towards the end, and then I stopped watching it. But ooh, my most favorite one, my most favorite, most favorite, the director who buys me dinner. Oh my god, the director who buys me dinner. Oh, that show. I love that show so much. I cannot begin to tell you how much I love that show. Oh my god, I have watched that show like 3 to 4 times, like continuously. Like, that show is amazing and it is so hilarious. I mean, I'm in love with that show. Like, it's very, it's very short. Like, it doesn't, since Korean BLs are like very short, they're not like Thai BLs, like they have number of episodes and seasons. But yeah, it's very short. I think it has like only like 8 episodes or something. But oh well, it's worth the watch. Oh my gosh, it's worth the watch. Watch. I'm telling you, this is my most favorite Korean BL. The director buys me dinner. I've like recommended it to like my friend who watches BLs, and she was like asking me like, give me some BLs, and I recommended this to her. So yeah, watch it. Oh, the new employee. I've also seen the new employee, but oh well. Oh yes, my most second favorite BL, To My Star. Oh, To My Star, guys. To My Star. Oh, To My Star. It's my. Okay, look at this. I kissed my hand, right? So look at this. Lipstick लग गया है. दिख रहा है तुमको? Lipstick लग गया मेरे हाथ पे. It is Umma and all lipstick came to my hand. क्या करूँ मैं इसको अभी? कैसे निकालना पड़ेगा? I get so distracted with this. Should have been more careful. दिख भी नहीं रहा है कैमरा में. Anyways, so yeah, where was I? To My Star. Wow, man! All what happened was lipstick आ गया मेरे हाथ पे, and I started showing and jabbering about that. See, this is what I am. I talk about one thing and I get so distracted and I just keep going on and on about the other thing. Plus, yeah, I'm that way. Anyways, To My Star. Okay, so To My Star 1, it's a movie, and then there's also a second movie, like it's a continuation, because the first one, of course, ended on a cliffhanger. So the second one was a bit like, so the people who have seen it, you know what I'm talking about. The main character, his lover, like his husband. Yeah, well, I don't want to spoil for the people who haven't seen it, but go watch it. I don't know about the second part, but the ending is happy. The ending is, of course, it's happy. It's very happy. The ending. Oh, I love this. To My Star. This is my second favorite Korean BL. Oh, I love it. Oh, then I have also seen You Make Me Dance. Wow, it's such a cute show. Oh, no cute. No cute. Too cute. Oh, I've seen Mr. Heart. I've seen Mr. Heart. Where Your Eyes Linger. Guys, so if you've seen all these shows, or if you want to watch all these shows, like, share, subscribe, yeah, if you DM me on Instagram, I can give you many, recommendations, because I've seen so many BLs, like, oh my god, so many. I can't even remember how many I've seen, but yeah, I can give you a full list, like, if you want it, DM me on Insta. For that, you have to follow me on Insta. So if you don't follow me, go right now, follow me, and then you can DM me, and then you can DM me. Oh, okay. This one, oh yeah, I've also watched Oh Boarding House. That's also very cute. Love it. First Love Again, amazing. Of course. Okay, there is this one BL show that, oh my god, guys, that one BL show, I don't want to. I got so emotionally attached to that show that I cried. I cried like a baby until we meet again, guys. Like, oh god, until we meet again. Like, I start thinking about it and I want to cry. Like, the way I have cried watching that, sobbing like a baby. I am emotionally attached to that show. Like, it has my heart. I have sobbed like a baby, poured my eyes out. My eyes were puffed, they were red from crying watching this show. And after I finished it, I was like, oh my god. I feel like an era has ended. Like, that show, shit, I cannot begin. Like, no matter how much I tell you, how much I cry watching that show is not enough. Because people are like, what? It's not what, but I'm telling you, the people who have watched it and the people who have cried, who are, attached. See, I get attached very soon. Like, I get emotionally attached very, very, very soon. So, yeah, that's kind of a thing of mine, kind of working on it, but anyways, so yeah, I get attached very soon, and that's why I usually don't like to watch drama or something, because then I get so attached, and then once I finish it, I'm like, now my life has ended. Even my parents and my sister, actually, they don't like me when I watch something new, because I get attached, and all that. People who get it, they get, people who get it. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. So yeah, well, but this show, Lord, I cannot. No, you dare argue with me this show is not good? If you like, थोड़ा सा भी तेरे को लगा ना कि this show is not good, and you come and tell it to me, you're gone. Like, my god, I'm telling you, watch this show, man, until we meet again. Best. I mean, my god, shit. Oh my god, shit. That's so. I'm getting kind of emotional talking about it. I don't know why. Oh, anyways, best show ever. This is, out of all the BLs that I have watched, especially Thai BLs, this show is like top. tier, you know, like top. Like nothing can beat this show for me until you meet again. The way I felt, like, you know, I was watching this show, and then friend who I mentioned, like, you know, like we were texting and everything, like, and oh my god, I was watching it and I was crying, and like I was telling her that, you know, how attached I am, how I cry watching this show and everything, and I had sent her a picture of me crying, and I'm like, look how I'm crying, you know. I like sent her a picture and she was like, oh my god, Calista, what is wrong with you? Your eyes are so red, like it's so puffed, you're crying so much. I'm like, yes, like duh, of course. So yeah, recommend. This is my number one. Like, forget all BLs, forget all the other BLs. Go watch this. Like, this should be your first. Forget about the other ones. Others, this should be your first BL. Watch it now. Like, Joe, you're watching now. If you're watching a BL now, screw it. Forget about it. Leave that and watch this. Watch this. Watch. Dekho. Telling you. Watch it, guys. Just watch it. Oh, let's see. Anyways, let's see. Kinposh! Kinposh! Where my Kinposh fans at, man? Kinposh. Nipi Machai. Nipi Machai. Okay, I don't know Thai, but even I'm listening to it, then, you know, automatically, you know, it comes on, you know, the tip of my tongue. But anyways, ooh, Apo and Miles in the jar. Oh my god, Kinposh. Oh my god, look how much I'm smiling, you guys. Like, I really cannot stop smiling. Oh my god, Kinposh. Ooh, Kin and Posh. Bible. Oh, okay. Pete. I love him. I mean, oh, Jeff Satur. Oh my god, Thankun! Oh my god, you guys, Thankun! If you haven't watched this show, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing in life? Like, I'm judging you. Like, if you haven't watched this show, jao yaar, dekho. No. First watch Until You Meet Again, then watch the show. Don't betray me like that. Oh my god, Thankun, the best character on the show, Thankun. Oh my gosh, I love him. I love him so much. Oh my god, I love him. Oh, Thankun. Man. I mean, the people who have watched it, you get it. I mean, Thankun. Woo. Love it. Ooh, let us see what other. Let me see the list here so I can remember. You know, like I cannot remember which all I've seen. Let me see, and then I can recommend it to you. If you guys need recommendations, I can give it to you. Let me just, you know, see. Oh, Big Dragon, the series. Oh, Big Dragon, I love that series. And to think they are a couple in real life, like, what? Oh, Cutie Pie series. You know, like, I thought they're a couple in real life, and then I thought of Cutie Pie the series, and they also became a couple in real life. You guys, can you believe it? Oh my god, I was like, what? Like, oh my god. Like, oh my god, I love it. I hope they never break up. Oh, yes. Oh. They're talking about this Korean reality show I saw. Wait, boya. Oh dear. Hang on. It was I love his man, guys. If you like love reality TV shows, his man. And if you like Korean reality TV shows, his man. And of course BL. Duh. #LGBTQ, yeah. Come on. See, my life, my channel, my Instagram is all about BTS and supporting of LGBTQ. So yeah, oh yeah. But the only thing is like on my main account, I can post it. I don't know if I should be revealing this. This will be TMI, but yeah, I have two accounts. One is my private account and one is my account which I have linked here. This is my professional business account. Of course, I won't be linking, like, mentioning my private account, but yeah, that account is mostly about LGBTQIA stuff. Pride month, guys, come on, 2024, you homophobic sucks. I mean, fuck off. I hate homophobics, I'm sorry, like, when I get into it, I get into it. Anyways, wow. His man, yes, what can I find it? Yeah, here it is. So like, there are like two His Man, one, and then there's like a second one, and I watched both, and I love. Oh my god. Whew. And from the second, like His Man, like two. Okay, so from the first, the couple, the guys who got matched, they started dating in real life, but I think they broke up. But in the His Man 2, the guys who got matched at the end, like they are still dating in real life. And I was like praying that they end up together and they are dating in real life. I mean, if you have seen His Man and you can relate with me, like, share, subscribe, follow my Instagram. Come on, if you can relate with me, you have to follow my Instagram, or else this is not fair at all. Like, then you won't be able to vibe. Yeah, come on, like, share, subscribe, and follow my Instagram now. Come on, do it. You have to do it now. Come on, or else I'm gonna get hurt. Do it, yaar. Come on. See, yaar, you and me, we vibe. You and me like BTS. You and me, if we like Korean BLs, or if we like normal BLs, or if we like everything related to South Korea, and if you're not liking, sharing, subscribing my channel, following my Instagram, what is this? ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, करना पड़ेगा ना. चलो करो. You have to do it. It helps, yaar. कर दो यार. Come on. Sebal, please do it. So yeah, His Man. Watch it. Anyways, Coffee Melody. Oh yeah, the Thai BLs. Getting back to Thai BLs, Coffee Melody. I have a very bad opinion about that. Be right back, guys. I am back. I'm sorry I had to leave for a bit. I mean, not for a bit, it was like hardly 2 minutes, but my sister had come, so yeah. Anyways, I am back. Okay, see, the only reason like I'm making this video is because it's Pride month and I love BLs, and that's like the only shows that I watch. I do not watch anything else than BLs. I do watch shows like Modern Family, Friends and everything, The Big Bang Theory, How I Met Your Mother, but I've already seen those shows like gazillion times, so I just keep rewatching. But yeah, when I have nothing else to watch, that's when I start watching those shows again, but mostly BL. Ooh, Oxygen the series. Oxygen the series, you guys. I love that show. There's so many and I'm telling, every show, like, I love this show, but यार क्या ही करे यार. I love this show यार. I love them. तो क्या करूँ मैं अब? क्या करूँ मैं? मर जाऊँ? कि मेरे को फीलिंग नहीं है. I get distracted so easily and start talking about random shit, man. Oh my god. Yes. Oxygen series. Oh my god. Watch it. I love it. Oh my god. Ooh. I also started this new Japanese show. Oh my god. Wait. Japanese. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce this in Japanese, but I really don't know how to pronounce it. I'm gonna like make a whole altu if I pronounce this. I think it's called External Yesterday. Wait, let me see. External Yesterday. I just started yesterday, so like I'm like on the second episode. Like, yes, External Yesterday, guys. I just started the show yesterday, so I'm kind of excited for it. Oh, Japanese. I recently watched My Beautiful Man. Oh my god, My Beautiful Man! I love the first part. Oh, I love the first season. I love the first season. Oh my god, season one. I loved it so much. And then it turns out that there is a My Beautiful Man external, like a part two. And I was like, wait, what are you talking about? Like, what the hell are you talking about? I absolutely did not know about this. So yesterday I watched it and I'm in love. La 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 la. I'm in love. I'm still like hungover over it, huh? I'm still really hungover over it. Like, oh my god, I cannot get over that. I will never be. I want a part three, yaar. I mean, later आओ वापस. I don't care. I love it too much. So My Beautiful Man. If you've seen it, like, share, subscribe, follow. Ooh, also Until We Meet Again. In that there is a side story as well. About who is that? Hang on. Why did I remember it? Until we meet again. Until we meet again. Just give me a random. Oh my gosh, what's the random ship popping up? What's the random ship popping up? Until we meet again. Wait, let me just see the cast, and then if it's the cast, I'm able to like see the Pwin and team. I forgot what is that show called? Yeah, them. I watched that. कौन बजा रहा था कोई Win and team. What's that? What's that show called? Between Us, yes. Ooh, Pwin. Oh my god. I love them. I love it. I started it, but then see, when I started it, there were only limited episodes because that like just come. So I had watched it, and then the new episodes got released, and then I don't know, I just didn't watch it again because and by the time also I was like only into Korean BL, so then I was like forget it. So I haven't like watched it, aage, but yeah, oh well. Oh, you know what? Who we need more on Palm and Dean, Dean and Palm. My God, we need a whole separate show on just them. I want a whole separate show on just them. The people who agree. I mean, if you have seen it, then you know what I'm talking about. Oh, Dean and Palm. I love them. Oh my God. And Manao, oh my god, she was so hilarious throughout the show. Oh my god, she's amazing. Oh my god, Manao! Between Us. Ooh, Thandai! Oh my god! If you have seen it, well, Together the series. Time, Sarawat and Time. Sarawat and Time. Oh my god. Come on, yeah, Together the series. Guys, I mean, if you have seen it, what are you doing? Like, share, subscribe, yeah. If you want us to vibe more, you have to. If you like, share and subscribe, then only I'll know that, oh yes, like we are vibing and I'm finding my right people, or else I'm going to just be finding bullshit people who I don't vibe with. Being very honest. So yeah, then let us see Bad Buddy. Oh my god, my friend recommended this show to me, and Bad Buddy. Oh. Like I'm like, why haven't I watched that? Like when I watched, I was like, why don't I watch this earlier? What the fuck? So Bad Buddy. Oh my god. mwah. यार क्या शो है वो यार. That's like me and my friend, we are obsessed. Fucking obsessed with that show. Like so obsessed with that show. Ooh, Still Together. You know, Together the series, and then after that there is a Still Together. So watch it, guys. Come on. If you watched Together the series, you have to watch Still Together, because you can't watch one and then you can like not just watch the other. So yeah, the continuation. Continuation. Yeah, continuation. And oh my god, the you know, what am I saying? The hate that Salawat, that guy who plays Salawat. I forgot his real name. I mean, you know what he's called. His like stage name or something. Not his real name, but you know what he's called. Bright, P Bright. Yes, P Bright. Oh my god. You guys know, right? How much hate he was getting because he's dating a woman. Like, what is wrong with you? Yes, people, heterosexual guys who play gay roles. Yes, I mean they are. Like, it's not necessary that they have to only keep dating guys. Like there are heterosexual guys who play BL shows and who do gay roles. So they're dating a woman. Don't be surprised and don't go fucking hating on them. You dumb shit. Like let him live his life. He's happy. That's it. I mean, people have to understand that. Oh my god, he's dating a woman. And why are you giving her hate? Like, what is wrong with you? Like, it's काम धंधा नहीं है क्या? Like, you find such nonsense to do on nonsense. Like, my god. Anyways, let's see more BLs, more Thai BLs, Thai BL shows. Also, yeah, guys, I'm gonna make a BTS video very soon. BTS video आएगा when I get more subscribers and I get real subscribers and I find what the hell. Anyways, when I find my real people, आएगा where I'm going to go into detail about being 3S, how I became an army, why I became an army, how come I'm still an army. I'm going to be showing you my merch. I'm going to be talking about everything. I'm like going to go into detail, like into detail. And also, yeah, I'm going to be showing you my merch, my diary, my poster. Oh my god, I'm going to be showing everything related to them. And my channel is mostly about BTS. Like I do mostly about BTS reels, dance reels. So armies, where you are? And yes, my new community post. I hope so you guys have checked it out. If you have not checked my community post, go check it out. Yeah, like, share. Like it was my first community post, so kind of excited about it. So yeah, anyways. Whew. RM's new album. Ooh, RM's new album. If you haven't given a listen. Okay. That was sus. Oh my god, guys, RM's new album. I love it. Stream it on Spotify. Stream it on Spotify. Come on, guys. Right place, wrong person. Come on, guys. Army, we have to help them. Stream it on Spotify, guys. Come on, you have to do this. You have to. It's like you're an army, okay? He's BTS leader. He's our leader. It is your duty. You are like obliged, obligated to do this. You have to stream his album. Not only his, all the 7 members. Okay, when they make a new song or something, you have to stream it. Like if you haven't listened to Right Place, Wrong person, what are you doing? Are you really even an army? Go give it a listen and stream it. Like all his albums. I love his new album. Oh my god. The songs. Oh my god. Groin. My god, I love that song. Also, yeah, Come Back to Me, Lost. Baby, I'm lost. Na na na. Get your ass on fuck. Get your ass on fuck. Get your ass on fuck. Baby, come back to me. It's my fucking bitch. She rider. Rider. She throw rider. Rider. RM. See, if you want to see, this is not this video is nowhere related to BTS. But see, still, I bought it up. BTS just comes up, you guys. They just come up. So yeah. Well, everything's about them. So obviously they're gonna come up. Like duh. Anyways, getting back to the BL shows. Let's see which which more have I seen? Oxygen. Yeah. Oh yeah, I've already spoken about it. Cherry Blossom Winter. Yes. Yes. That Love by Chance. I told Sunset about you. Ooh, wait. Guys, I told Sunset about you. My friend who recommended Bad Buddy, she only recommended this show, like, and she's like obsessed, like her favorite show. We both are obsessed with the show. Oh my god, when I watched it, I was like flabbergasted. Love. And then what is the second? I don't remember the second part of the show. I don't think about you. Season 2. What's the? I don't remember the show. Hang on. I Promise You the Moon. Oh, I Promise You the Moon. Watch it, guys. Give it a watch. If you have watched it, then you and me best friends for life. Tick. Yes. So if you haven't watched it, watch it. It's I Told Sunset About You, and then the second season is I Promise You the Moon. Watch it. I wish I could like tell you more about it, but I'll be giving you spoilers, and I don't want to do that. I've done that many times to a friend. Like, I've given her accidental spoilers, and fuck, she has hated me for it. So I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. Yes. Which more? I'm goddamn lost. Like, other than Thai BLs, I've watched Taiwan shows as well, but I don't remember, but like, I don't remember. Okay, let's just see the BL shows right now. Instead of Thai, let's just see the BL shows. Ooh, Plus and Minus. I just saw this Plus and Minus. I've seen this, guys. I like just saw it about a month ago. Plus and Minus. Love it. Watch it. Candy Color Paradox. I've seen that. Candy Color Kissable Lips. Duh. Obviously, I've seen that. Love Mate. Yes. Love Mate. Love a Mate. Love Mate. Hang on. Oh, no. Love Mate is not what I saw. It was Love Tractor, the Korean BL that I saw. So Love Mate. This I have yet to watch. I'm not gonna save this because I need this now. Love Mate. Definitely gonna watch this. Yeah. Anyways, other than this, let's see what else. What else? I cannot reach you. Oh my god. I can't reach you. I can't reach you. I can't reach you. My lord, I love that show. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, love that show. I can't emphasize more. Like there are so many shows I love. Oh, I cannot reach you. Recommended watch. Also, My Love Mix Up. My Love Mix Up. My Love Mix Up. Oh, I was just in Love Class, but I was like okay about it, but anyways. Color Rush, the second season they've completely ruined it, so I didn't really like bother. I started it and put ahead. It was like it just ruined it. So I just watched Color Rush part 1. The second I started and then I stopped it because well, I've seen Mr. Heart, then Roommates of Conduct 304, Roommates of Conduct 304. Watch it. If not, watch it. Watch it. Ooh, Where Eyes Linger. I've seen that. Love Syndrome. Nope. I have to give it a try. My Beautiful Man. I just spoke about it. Oh, My Beautiful Man. Love. Who has come to my house? Sus. Anyways, the other people will say about it. Semantic error. Why didn't I? Why haven't I spoken about it yet? Semantic error. I have watched it like over 10 times. Over 10 times I've seen it. Semantic error. I love that show. As much as I love Until We Meet Again, like see. So Until We Meet Again is here. Here, and Semantic error is like here somewhere. It's like so close, and then come the other BLs. So look how close that is. This is how much. Semantic error. Oh my god. If you have seen it, you know what to do. If you have not, watch it. Semantic error. Then. Yeah. Still Together. Yep. Oh, Boarding House. I mentioned that. Yeah, I think that's about it. Like, I don't know how many more I can talk about BLs. The New Employee, scene. Mr. Unlucky has no choice but to kiss, scene. Recommended, definitely recommended. Let us see. My Love Mix Up. Love that show. My Love Mix Up. Guys, come on, yaar. Check it out. क्या है यार, जब मैं फिल्म करती रहती हूँ तभी उन लोगों को सब किचन में काम सब करना है. Ignore that, guys. Sorry about that. Senpai, This Can't Be Love. Seen it. Sorry guys, ignore that. Yeah, ignore that. Senpai, This Can't Be Love. Seen it. Recommended. See? So sorry. I'm a bit tired. See? There are so many shows that I've seen that I can recommend you. I can recommend you more. There are many shows that I've seen, but I can't remember. Like इधर list में भी मेरे को नहीं दिख रहा है. Also, oh guys, you want to see my wallpaper? Let me show you. Let me just give you. Actually, this I was gonna show in my what's that? The video where I go more about talking about BTS and everything, but I'll just give you a bit preview. Like wait. Let me show you. I can show it to you like this. BTS. I was like, wait, I don't need to enter the picture or anything. I can just show it to you like this. Look. Ah, look. Is it like so adorable? But everything is BTS. Everything is BTS. So yeah, एम्बुलेंस को ले अभी जाना था. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's it because I cannot find any more, which I can talk about. So. Oh, I've also seen A Shoulder to Cry On. That also recommended. I have seen Love Class 2 as well, but yeah. So Love Class 1 scene, Love Class 2 scene. Watch it. Love my love tractor, of course, are dating sim. Yeah, anyways, so yeah, this was the whole video. So this was basically just hang on. So yeah, I think that wraps up this video. I know this video was kind of like boring, but I just wanted to make a sit down video since again my channel is just growing, and the content that I want to make and post, I can do it only once I have a little build up on my channel. So yeah, most of my videos are also random videos, and I'm going to upload and make random videos. Keep looking forward to this. A lot of random videos are going to come on my channel. So I'm just making stuff, man. I don't want to. I'm just making stuff. So yeah. So I think that wraps this video up. It was just talk about DL and everything, but if you want me to dive more deeper into this and maybe do reaction videos or something, let me know. How I'll get to know by you liking, sharing, subscribing to my channel and following me on my Instagram. Or if you follow me on my Instagram, you can tell me that I followed you via this video, so then I'll know that, oh yes, and then I'll make the content on what if you've seen this video, you know what content I'm asking to make about. So yeah, that wraps up this video. It was this video is kind of going to be boring, but I'll try to make it fun through editing. But yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, I think that's the whole video. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you have stuck till the end, good, because I know this video is really boring, but nothing special in this video. But yeah. Oh, I posted my new dance reel also on Chili. I hope you like it. I'm working on other reels as well. Like I'm learning more dances and everything, so it's gonna come. It's gonna take time, but yeah, oh well. Yeah. So that wraps it up. If you want to see that BTS video soon, and if you want to see my aviation video soon, where in my previous video I said that I'll talk more about it, I'll go more into it. If you want to see that, help my channel grow. Like, share, subscribe, follow, so that I can make that content fast and bring it to you. It's not like if my channel doesn't grow, I will not bring that content out. I will of course make videos. I'm of course going to make video on it and post it, but yeah, I'm just saying it's better to have more people, the right people watching, than people who just watch for time pass and everything. But you know what I mean. The people who get it. So yeah, anyways, I think I'm gonna end the video here. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and if you haven't checked out my previous two videos, give it a watch, like, share, subscribe, and yeah, I hope you like this video. And I hope it could help while I gave you some recommendations, or if you are a BL fan, you found another BL fan, thumbs up, hearts, BL. So yeah, that wraps it up. I'm gonna end the video here then. So yeah, I'll meet you all in the next one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I hope you have a wonderful day, or whatever, wherever you are watching this, whatever you're doing. Yeah, I hope you like my content, and look forward to more from me in the future. Oh my gosh, I keep saying this in every video, and I'm gonna keep saying it. Anyways, so yeah, I think that's it. I'll meet you all in the next one. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye guys. Oh my god, I'm so crazy. Anyways, bye.